Hello, and welcome to Upkeep's video series. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder, and today we're diving into the world of maintenance management. From understanding the big picture to fostering a team-oriented environment, we're going to explore what it means to be a maintenance manager. We'll discuss their responsibilities, necessary skills, and how they use tools like CMMS software to make smarter business decisions. So, if you're in a maintenance or operations team, or just curious about the ins and outs of this role, stay tuned. So, what exactly does a maintenance manager do? Well, they oversee a team of maintenance supervisors who manage technicians and workload during a particular shift. Depending on how big the organization is, managers report to either a maintenance director, president, or vice president of operations. They're the ones taking a big picture view of the maintenance department, directing the long-term vision and comprehensive effort around building systems, equipment operations, and safe production standards. They keep the company's goals in mind and make key decisions around safety requirements, laws, and regulations. But their responsibilities don't stop there. They vary depending on the nature of the business. Typically, they include planning and directing overall maintenance work and coordinating responsibilities with maintenance supervisors to get work done in a timely and safe manner. Maintenance managers also have to hire, train, and develop maintenance staff, working to keep a positive, team-oriented environment focused on delivering high-quality, safe, and efficient maintenance services. They're measured by key performance indicators such as production uptime, budget adherence, schedule compliance, and safety metrics, like the number of incidents or injuries. They're the ones setting an overall vision, mission, and strategy for the entire maintenance department. This could require setting smaller, intermediate steps to get an organization to its ideal state. They need to have forward-thinking mentalities and the ability to instill that skill in others. They need to see problems that don't yet exist to promote a proactive maintenance system in the long run. However, they also need to ensure the basics are followed and a strong foundation is laid. They must ensure that all health, safety, and regulations are followed. Once those requirements are met, maintenance managers may want to ensure that a strong CMMS software is in place. This software is an invaluable tool for maintenance departments to track equipment and work order history, as well as help conduct reports and analytics over time to help managers make better, smarter business decisions. The CMMS serves as a foundation for preventive maintenance systems. Maintenance managers are then responsible for keeping all day-to-day operations running smoothly through this system. They should always be pushing their companies to move from reactive maintenance to more preventive maintenance. Eventually, taking advantage of technology such as machine learning, artificial intelligence, and sensors can move an organization to a predictive maintenance culture. So what traits does a good maintenance manager need? They must be flexible, able to accept and thrive in a changing environment. They're often operating behind the scenes, so they need to be humble. They also need to have good leadership skills, which requires bringing maintenance supervisors together in an effective, positive, and efficient manner. In today's ultra-competitive world, having all the technical skills for great facility management is not enough to be a great maintenance manager. They also need to find and train their teams. They must be supportive leaders for their supervisors and technicians, asking what team members need to work more efficiently, and then implementing those changes. They must set clear goals for each technician or supervisor and clear their path to accomplish those objectives. This can simply mean setting up mentoring relationships between experienced and new technicians or encouraging industry certifications and continuing education. Maintenance managers must clearly understand the corporate and department goals and be able to align personal and individual goals alongside them. Once that is determined, matching the right individual with the correct level task will be the next step. They should challenge their team by giving them a slightly harder task than they are accustomed to in order to train them and move up the bar for the entire team. Finally, superior maintenance managers must be lifelong learners who are willing and enthusiastic about continuing to improve personally and professionally. This not only means embracing continuing education opportunities, but also participating in industry conferences and organizations, networking with other maintenance professionals, brainstorming solutions and learning from others, and simply reading about the latest developments in the industry. Usually, larger organizations require more layers of management to operate efficiently. A business, facility, or residential complex that has multiple locations, shifts, or buildings will benefit from having a maintenance manager. There are different types of maintenance managers. For example, a plant maintenance manager ensures the operations of plant systems and equipment stays in excellent working order. Building complex maintenance managers oversee supervisors who are responsible for the daily upkeep and operations of a particular building within a residential complex. Facilities maintenance managers oversee maintenance and engineering tasks across an entire facility. Public Works maintenance managers lead shift supervisors in various government-related departments. Those aspiring to become maintenance managers can apply for certifications to advance their careers. Some of these include the Maintenance Management Certification, Certified Manager of Maintenance, NAHRO Certified Maintenance Manager, Maintenance Management Professional Certificate Program, and Certified Professional Maintenance Manager. In conclusion, maintenance managers are a critical link in the organizational structure of a maintenance department. The right individuals will be well-versed not only in the technical side of maintenance, but also have the right leadership and team-building skills to motivate and encourage supervisors and technicians, serving as the catalyst for an entire maintenance department to thrive and grow into the future. Thank you for watching this video on maintenance management. We've covered the role, responsibilities, and key traits of a maintenance manager, as well as the importance of tools like CMMS software in making smarter business decisions. If you found this video informative, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to visit our website at upkeep.com to learn more. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.